A hair system will not damage the scalp. However, what could irritate the scalp could be the way that is being attached. If a client has a sensitivity or an allergic reaction to a glue or tape, it can result in contact dermatitis, where the scalp gets inflamed, irritated, and sore, sometimes resulting in open wounds. This can be combated by using a different type of adhesion that does not result in any of those reactions. We always recommend do a patch test before using any adhesive for the first time. Traction alopecia is when hair loss is caused by constant pulling due to tight braids or ponytails or even clips that are worn too long. This is why we always recommend if you are attaching your system with clips, you do not sleep with them, as the friction from moving around in your sleep could cause damage to your hair follicle. Also consider changing the placement of your clips from time to time. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye.